During the Jonas Brothers tour stop in Newark, New Jersey, Joe Jonas was visibly moved while performing Little Bird, wiping away tears. This emotional moment took place as Joe's daughters, Willa and Delilah, attended their father's tour for the first time. Accompanied by Joe's parents, the family affair extended to include Kevin Jonas' wife, Danielle, and their daughters, as well as the youngest Jonas brother, Frankie. Despite the emotional backdrop of Joe's recent divorce from Sophie Turner, his heartfelt performance added a personal touch to the evening, emphasizing the healing power of music and the strength of family bonds.